Way number 6, if you're writing fiction, short stories, poetry, etc., not nonfiction. Sorry, guys. This doesn't really work for especially how-to, business, and self-help and that kind of stuff. Doesn't work for that. But there's this program called Kindle Singles. And I highly recommend that you do this if you're going to write any of these kinds of genres. Choose a topic and write 5,000 to 30,000 words. That's their limit. They have a minimum of 5,000, maximum of 30,000 words. Then go ahead and publish it with Kindle Direct Publishing. Get your book out there, get some sales under your belt if you want to. You don't have to have sales under your belt. You can do this right away. But then go nominate your self-published book as a great thing for the Kindle Singles program. You can also submit a new manuscript, but even the Kindle Singles program recommends that you have it published first, because they're going to make you publish it through your own Kindle Direct Publishing account anyway, because their royalty structure works exactly the same as self-publishing. There's just an added benefit. So whether you go ahead and publish first and then submit your book to Kindle Singles, or whether you submit it as a new manuscript, they're still going to ask you to publish it via Kindle Direct Publishing. And then you're just going to follow their instructions. They're going to have instructions for ways that you can join into their marketing programs and so on. The tools for this is you're going to have to write a book proposal. It's basically a hybrid form of publishing where you do the work as a self-publisher, you make the same royalties as a self-publisher, but you have the power of a traditional publisher behind you, because Amazon does have its own traditional publishing arm. And you have that power behind you. So in order to get that power from them, you have to submit a book proposal. And a book proposal has all sorts of things in it, like, how many copies you expect to sell. You just make up a number, because most of us don't know that, right? Can't predict how many wallets are going to open. But they want to know like what kinds of things you already have in place. If you have a website, if you have social media pages, if you have followers on Facebook and followers on Twitter and so on. They want to know all that. Like, where are you? What kind of marketing have you done? What do you plan to do? That's what a book proposal is. And there's awesome benefits to this. You get to be known as a vetted author. You basically have the reputation of being traditionally published without the cost of being traditionally published. And I say cost because there's a high cost to being traditionally published, usually in giving up your copyright, giving up your power over making decisions over what you want to write in the future. There's a lot of stuff that traditional publishers take from you that people don't understand or know. And this gives you that power without having to give those things up, which is awesome. And again, it's a form of hybrid publishing. So you get them behind you, helping you catapult your book. Right now, they're only open to fiction and poetry. And I think you should definitely write a 5,000 to 30,000 word book. I mean, on the shorter end is actually better. They even say that. They're like, we love short books. And submit it to the Kindle Singles program.